My dear students, I am Shapon sir from Arryabhatta Maths Academy. Last class we discussed about the trigonometrical angles, theoretical part. Today we will work out some problems on the trigonometrical angles. Last class we discussed about that circumference by diameter. It is constant for all circles. It is for all circles, circumference by diameter, this ratio is always same for all circles, and this ratio is denoted by a number pi, a Greek letter pi. And this value of pi is 22 by 7, but it is approximate value. More approximate value is 113,335. That means 335 by 113. This is more approximate value. And another value up to 5 decimal places, 3.14159. This is the value of pi up to 5 decimal places, and 8 decimal places value is 3.14159,265. This is value of our 8 decimal places. Now the question is pi. It is a irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. Why? Irrational number. Why? We know that any value that we can express in the ratio p by q, where q not equal to 0, is a rational number. But in case of pi, we are saying that pi is an irrational number. Why we are saying so? Because pi, the value of pi, see this value 3.14159, and these values up to 8 decimal 3.14159,265. This is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating, it will never terminate, and non-recurring. You are seeing that up to 8 decimal no repetition, similar repetition is there, so it is non-recurring and non-terminating. That is why pi is an irrational number. So pi is a constant figure, that is 3, and we consider pi the value 3.14 values, we consider it. So pi means a constant value. We express pi as a radian, measuring, this is called, in case of circular measure, previous classes we have already discussed that pi means 2 right angle. Pi means 2 right angle. 2 right angle considered as a pi radian. Pi radian means 2 right angle. That means 180 degree. Pi radian means 1 right angle, 2 right angle. 2 right angle, that means equal to 180 degree. And if we take 1 by pi, the value of 1 by pi, see it very carefully, the value of 1 by pi, you have to read by heart this figure 1 by pi equals to 0.318 0.3098861 309861. This figure you have to we know the value of the 1 by pi. This is also non-terminating figure. 1 by pi means 0.31830988.8861. Now we will discuss about some problems. Today we will work out some problems on the measurement of the trigonometrical angles. So work out some problems. First we will discuss about a theory, that is the radian theory. We have discussed. Today we will discuss about a theory. The theory is theory number 1. Prove that a radian is a constant angle. Prove that a radian is a constant angle. So prove that a radian is a constant angle. How we prove it? First, take a circle. O is the center. OA is the radius, that is R. So OA is equal to R. And we take the arc same as the radius. Let B, AB, arc AB is equal to R also, and angle AOB equals to theta. So previous class we have told that theta is equal to L by R, that means R by R. Here R by R, that means theta is equal to 1 radian. From the similar circle, if we take the whole circumference, that means length will be the circumference of the circle, and angle, so angle will be the 4 right angle. So in case of whole circle, angle will be the 4 right angle, and this will be the circumference of the circle. When length will be the circumference of the circle, angle will be the 4 right angle. Right? In that case, we know that angle 4 right angle is equal to circumference by what will be the it will be the circumference, and it is the diameter R, so by R. Now from these two conditions we have to write here. We will take angle by length. If we take angle AOB by length, मतलब arc AB, so angle AOB, in that case it will be 4 right angle, and in that case the whole circumference will be circumference will be the arc, that is 2 pi r. From this condition, from this first condition, angle AOB equals to theta. Theta means 1 radian. So we write 1 radian here. And AB arc is R. So 4 right angle by 2 pi R. R cancel. Now 1 radian is equal to 2 cancel 2 by pi right angle. It is a constant figure. 1 radian is equal to 2 by pi right angle. It's a constant value. Constant value. So we proved it that a radian is a constant value. So what is the numerical value? So first we convert it into degree. If 1 radian, now one radian is equal to 2 by pi right angle, means 2 by pi 90 degree. That means 180 degree by pi. That means 180 degree by pi means 180 degree by, we put the value of pi. What is the value? 3.14159. That is equal to 57 degree 17 minute 44.8 second. So if we convert it in the degree at the right angle, that is 2 by pi right angle, matlab 2 by pi into 90 degree, that means 180 degree by pi means 180 degree by 3.14159, that means 57 degree 17 minutes 44.8 second. That means we converted a radian, 1 radian in the sexagesimal form. Okay, next we discuss 180 degree equal to, we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. We know that 180 degree equal to pi radian. What we know? 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So the first case, we find out 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 17 minute 44.8 second, and 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian and 1 radian equal to 57 degree 17 minute 44.8 minutes. This relation we use in the numerical problems. Now, the last class, the relation between the sexagesimal, centagesimal and circular measurement. In these three cases, we derive the relation sexagesimal, centagesimal and circular measurement. What relation we derived? That d by 90 degree is equal to g by 100 is equal to 2r by pi. We derive this relation. all the students, every students, if we know this relation, if you read by heart this formula very well, if we prepare this formula very well, then using this formula we can solve all kinds of problems regarding measurement of the trigonometrical angles. We can derive this problem. D by 180 degree. We can transform this formula for relation in this way also. G by 200 is equal to R by pi radian. So pi radian means, we can write pi radian means 180 degree 200 feet. And we know another condition, right angle condition, that pi radian means 2 right angle. So using any one of these condition, we can solve the